So, in this session, we will study what is chemistry and why it is so important to study chemistry. We need to know its importance because chemistry is a part of our daily lifestyle. The more we know about this subject, the more interesting you become. Let's start with its basic definition written in every book. Study of matter and its properties. When we study matter and its properties, then it's called chemistry. But need to know what is matter. Everything you see around yourself is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. It can be a pure substance or a mixture like water bottle, table, box, etc. Matter in turn composed of atoms and molecules. So chemistry is basically how different atoms and molecules interact via chemical bond to form new substance. In this example, how two different atoms combine to form a molecule. So everything around us is made of atoms and molecules. So we should know why is chemistry so important. When you wake up in the morning and starts your day with toothpaste, which is a chemical compound, how it works. Most of the food we consume is composed of different types of acid like malic acid, tannic acid, and so on. This acid attack our tooth enamel and in turn it start decaying but our toothpaste acts as a base which neutralize acid in our mouth. So you see how chemistry in our life is so important. Next is before going to bed you burn coil at home. It releases chemical to keep mosquitoes far from us. I have given these two examples to show you that your day starts as well as ends with chemistry. Chemistry in daily life. Why onion make you cry? Why does this happen? Cutting an onion bursts its cell, producing a chemical process which releases the content of this cell into the immediate atmosphere, causing you to tear up as you slice. Next, how soaps and detergents work. They act as emulsifiers to surround dirt and help in washing. Soaps and detergents have its sulfate group as a polar group at one end and non-polar group at another end. So this sulfate group being polar group bind with the polar water extra molecule and non-polar group bind with the non-polar oil molecule and in turn emulsification formation takes place. So this emulsive formation results in easy removing of dirt and oil particle from the clothes. Role of chemistry in medicine. Chemistry plays an important role in medicine as well as all the drugs are chemical compounds and their chemical actions in bodies save millions of lives every day. Next is digestion in body. Digestion is a chemical reaction between food we take and acid and enzyme present in body and we all know digestion is important for breaking food into nutrients which body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. And if there is no digestion in the body will not having any energy to do any sort of work further. So first you chew your food, then your food all goes all the way down your esophagus. Then the stomach in the stomach the food is broken down to protein. In the small intestine food is made into a liquid and undigested waste material and water. Then it goes into the large intestine where matter is absorbed into the bloodstream and finally the food water is expelled from the anus. So that's whole. So this whole is a biological process of our body. The main process is in which food is break down into nutrients is a chemical process. So this was all about importance of chemistry in a daily life, and that's all.